Now let's talk about the next question, that is question number 4. Explain with suitable examples the different types of phyllotaxy. So first of all, we have to know that what is phyllotaxy. What do you mean by phyllotaxy? Phyllotaxy is just the pattern of arrangement of leaves. Phyllotaxy is the pattern of arrangement of leaves on a stem or branches of plant. Alright, what is phyllotaxy? Phyllotaxy is the pattern of arrangement of leaves on a stem or branches of plants. We have basically 3 types of phyllotaxy, that is alternate, opposite and whorled type of phyllotaxy. If we talk about in detail, then in alternate phyllotaxy, individual leaves, each individual leaf is arising from each node and they are arranged in an alternate manner. The examples, if we talk about of alternate phyllotaxy, we have sunflower, we have mustard and also people. Now, if we talk about the next one, that is opposite phyllotaxy. In this case, the pair of leaf arises from each node. The pattern is said to be opposite phyllotaxy. The last one we have is a whorled type of phyllotaxy, in which 3 or more leaves arising from each node. We are going to talk about all these in detail by writing the answer on the screen, and also we are going to make diagrams which represents these 3 types of phyllotaxy in plants. So let's write the answer of this question. First of all, we will be writing what is phyllotaxy. Then phyllotaxy is the pattern. Phyllotaxy is the pattern of arrangement of leaves on a stem or branch of plant. So phyllotaxy is the pattern of arrangement of leaves on a stem or branch of a plant. We have basically 3 types of phyllotaxy. So we have 3 types of phyllotaxy. And what are these? First is alternate phyllotaxy. Alternate phyllotaxy. What happens in them? In this alternate phyllotaxy, individual leaf is arising from each node. We have some examples for this, such as sunflower, mustard, people, etc. If we talk about the second one, phyllotaxy, that is opposite phyllotaxy. Then a pair of leaves arises from each node. If we talk about the example of this, then we have example of opposite phyllotaxy. We have guava, right? We have example as guava. The last one we have is whorled phyllotaxy. Whorled phyllotaxy. In this, 3 or more leaves are arising from each node. For this we have example Estonia and Nerium. Estonia and Nerium. If we talk about the representative figures of each of the phyllotaxy, we are going to make here like this. If we talk about the first one, that is, there is a leaf stalk. This is a leaf, this is leaf, and here also are leaves. See, this kind of arrangement is said to be alternate arrangement, alternate pattern of arrangement of leaves on axis. This is alternate phyllotaxy. If you talk about the opposite phyllotaxy, you will find like this is the stalk, the leaves, a pair of leaf are arising from each node. A pair of leaf is arising from each node. This kind of figure is the representative figure of opposite phyllotaxy, in which you can see a pair of leaf is arising from a particular each node. This kind of arrangement of leaves on a stalk is said to be opposite phyllotaxy. The last one we have is wold, in which you will see each node, on each node, three or more leaves are arising. Three or more leaves are arising. So this kind of arrangement is said to be wold pattern of arrangement of leaves, or we simply can call it as wold phyllotaxy. So this is a complete solution of this question.